Now, WhatsApp hackers are using a new way to get into our WhatsApp account. Previously, because we've not turned on the two-step verification, that was what they were using to get into our WhatsApp account. But now we've turned on the two-step verification and they are not getting into our WhatsApp account. So the new way that they've designed is for them to find a wise way to get into your account, of which I'm going to show you. So if you haven't turned on your two-step verification, I have in the comment section, I have a link there showing you how you can turn on the two-step verification so that you can turn it on for you to be safe. Or after watching this one, I'll leave the video on the screen and then you just tap on it to watch how you can protect your WhatsApp account using the two-step verification. So let's start with today's one. This is the new way that they are using to hack our WhatsApp account. First, this is what they do. They go to Play Store or Apple Store. First, they get the WhatsApp app. Okay, so they just download or make sure that they have the WhatsApp application on their phone. And then the second thing that they do is they open account in your number. Okay, so they just open their WhatsApp account, then enter your number. Okay, because some of you are joining a lot of groups, so they get your number from those groups that you join. And then when they get your number, they just enter it there, and it's like they are trying to open your WhatsApp account on their phone. Okay, so they just download the app, input your number there, continue with the step, and then they will reach where we have the pin for them to enter. So when they reach that place, this is what they do. They don't request for the pin. This is what they do. They just call you. They will call you and then they will tell you, or they will be like, we are from here, and we want you to give us the code on your phone. So by the time that they will tell you that we want you to give us a code on your phone, that's when they will request for the pin. So when they request for the pin from their phone, then WhatsApp will give you the pin on your SIM card. Okay, then they will call you and tell you that a code have come on your phone, and then we need that code for you to get a prize or something. Okay, so they use a word that you will not think that they are going to use the code to hack your account. And when you give them the code, they will open your WhatsApp account on their phone, and when they get your WhatsApp account on their phone, they then start to share videos, pictures, messages from your chat to your groups. It's like nowadays they don't care whether you get to know them or not. Just today, someone called me today, and then I have the recording here, of which I'll play to you to listen to what the person was saying. And after that, make sure you share this video to your friends to also know what is going on nowadays, the new way that they are using to hack our WhatsApp account. So if anyone calls you asking for a code from your phone, my friend, please and please don't give your code or any code that you receive on your phone to anyone. It's your personal security code. So if any code comes on your phone and then someone calls you requesting for that code, please don't give that code to that person, because if you give your code to that person, I bet you will regret giving the code to the person. Let's listen to the audio right here. Let's start. Is the page on WhatsApp or
Yeah, it's on WhatsApp. It's on WhatsApp. You said I have registered on a new device. Have you seen it?
So I have to check my message for the
Yeah, go through the message. You see the WhatsApp confirmation attached to it.
Okay. So
You have you seen it?
you said you're adding me. Okay, let me check. Oh, okay.
Yes, so your address is in the message. Are you number 443298?
Yeah.
You said?
You said I should what?
The numbers in the message is what?
The numbers in message.
Yeah, have you seen the continue to give code in the message?
The code.
You haven't seen it. The WhatsApp confirmation.
And who the hell are you? So this is what actually happened. So if anyone calls you for a code on your phone, please don't hand over any code on your phone to them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and then also don't forget to share this video because it's very important. Share to your friends and your families too. Thanks for watching.